Jai Hind, my dear students. So today we will going to start with English Alive course book, and we will start with the 8th poem. That is a poem, how many seconds in a minute. So from the title of the poem you come to know that this poem is mainly about time. As you know that time is a very precious thing. Once the time is gone, it will never going to come back. So in this poem we will going to learn about the importance of time and how many minutes, how many seconds, how many days are there in week, how many minutes and seconds in a minute, in an hour, and how many months are there in 1 year, and likewise we will going to read about in the poem. Now this poem is mainly written by Christina Georgina Rossetti. She was a foreign poet who was born in London in 1830. So here you should know that this poet was born in London in 1830. So in this poem we need to give the answer of the poem questions that the poet has asked us. Now first thing that the question is, this poem is basically starting with the question that how many seconds in a minute? 60 and no more in it. How many minutes in an hour? 60 for sun and shower. How many hours in a day? 24 for work and play. How many days in a week? 7 both to hear and speak. How many weeks in a month? 4 as the swift moon runneth. How many months in a year? 12 the almanac makes clear. How many years in an age? 100 says the sag. How many ages in time? No one knows the rhyme. So this was the poem. So first two line, what is the poet is talking about? Minute. That how many seconds are there in a minute? Everybody knows that in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. Yes, and in 1 hour how many minutes are there? We have 60 minutes. Then the poet is saying that no more in it. If you think that we will going to add 1 more minute or we will going to reduce 1 more second, it is not possible. How many minutes in an hour? 60 for sun and shower. As I told you that in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. Here the poet means to say that it is for the sun also to shine and for the clouds also to rain. Means if we will respect the time will respect us. Means we have to maintain the time. We need to utilize the time properly. How many hours in a day? Everybody knows that it is 24 hours for work and play. Means equally it is divided between work and play. That we can work also and we can play also. We can work to earn, to live a luxurious life. But for that we need to work hard. If you think that we will going to waste the time, then you will not going to achieve anything. And play for your entertainment. In your free time, in your leisure time, you can play. How many days in a week? Everybody knows that we have 7 days, both to hear and speak. Means in these days, means in 7 days you speak. You hear each and everybody. Like whatever you want to say, you say to other person and you listen to the another person. Means you give your time to others and people give their times to you. How many weeks in a month? So 4. How many months are there? How many weeks are there in months? 4. So here you need to learn. As the swift moon runneth. Swift means moving very quickly. Runneth is the old English spelling for run. So moon moves very quickly, means you can say run. How many months in a year? 12. Everybody knows that if we see the calendar, almanac means it is the calendar in which all the informations are given, in which festivals are described, mentioned that which festival is on which date. Yes, so the poet says that we have 12 months in a year, and 12 months, if we see in calendar, we find each and everything mentioned over there. So here almanac means calendar in which all the information regarding the festival, regarding the holidays, regarding the important works are mentioned. How many years in an age? The poet, another question is asking the poet that how many years are there in an age, and it is 100. Who says Sag? Sag means a very intelligent, or you can say very wise person. This answer is given by a very wise person, the one who is very intelligent. How many ages in time? No one knows the rhyme. And at the end, the poet says that how many ages in time means time is there, and the poet is asking the question that how many ages are there in time. And the poet says, replies that nobody knows, means not the poet also don't know, and other people also don't know the answer of this. So the moral of the poem is that if you will respect the time, time will respect you. If you will misuse the time will destroy you. So what we need to do, we need to use the time properly. Don't miss your time. Utilize the time, divide your time, make timetable for you, and go according to the timetable, so that you do not miss or misuse even a single second of your life. Because if you will miss, then your life will be miserable, and if you will utilize the time properly, then time will give you a leisure, a comfortable and luxurious life. सो इस पोएम में टाइम के बारे में ही बात की गई है कि अगर आप टाइम को महत्व देंगे तो टाइम आपको महत्व देगा, अगर आप उसको अच्छे से यूटिलाइज़ करेंगे तो टाइम आपको अच्छे से मतलब लाइफ देगा, लग्जीरियस लाइफ देगा, कंफर्टेबल लाइफ देगा. यस, लाइक इफ़ यू आर स्मॉल राइट नाउ, अभी आप छोटे हो, अगर आप अपने टाइम की कीमत को समझोगे, टाइम को अच्छे से यूटिलाइज़ करोगे पढ़ने में, तो आगे चल के आपकी लाइफ क्या होगी, आप लाइक यू विल बिकम अ गुड पर्सन इन योर लाइफ. And after becoming that person, you will be a renowned one. You will be a famous person. Everybody will come to know about you. But if you will waste, nobody will know about you, because you will be considered as a common people. Common people are not known, they are just known by their actions. That is, sometimes it is considerable and sometimes it is not. So it's better to utilize your time, give importance to the time, don't misuse the time. Okay, so this was the moral of the time. Thank you.